middle of Alabama State Park. If I'd run away from this one, I probably won't get to click on it again to show you. But it's July 4th. Me and the wife are on a little walk, and we got an encounter. Another chance. Use the master ball or not? Probably not. One try for the rest of the life. And there is the absolute worst service in the world to play Pokemon Go out here. And as you can see, the berry isn't even loading in. About 2 feet from some Wi-Fi though. Oh, wait. We're in.
Basketball?
No. Dude, air ball, that's what that was. Oh goodness, and I missed the even great throw. I don't even care. Oh, no way. Ah. Well, not a surprise there. Let's check this rowlet. Not shiny. All right, later.